One people, welcome back to another video from your girl Kiissi Unstoppable, and today I'm going to show you how I do my jerk pork. I've done a video like this before, but I'm going to show you today how I do it in the oven. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. As you can see, guys, this is my pork. Wow, a huge piece of pork. Apparently I want them to cut it in two for me, but the guys at the shop said they can't cut it because it's dangerous. I don't know what they're talking about, but I'm gonna cut it for myself, don't worry. So guys, I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna clean it up, and I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. So guys, I cut it in two. All you need is just a sharp knife and get down to business. I cut it in two. So I'm gonna wash it now. I'm gonna clean off all these flaws, what they call them, and I'm gonna wash it with some vinegar and some lemon. Okay guys, these are my season I'm gonna put on my pork. So over here I have some season combined of meat season, all-purpose season, jerk season, roasted garlic, some pimento, some ginger powder, some garlic powder, and some Mrs. Dash blended season. Here I have some jerk marinade sauce. I have my jerk season, of course. I love this jerk season so much. My soy sauce, and of course my green season. I made a video of this green season. And over here I have some ginger, some garlic, some scallion, some thyme, and some scotch bonnet pepper, and some crushed pimento. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my pork right now. So I'm gonna set these aside. So that's my pork. So I'm gonna put a few holes in it so the season can go right through it, so it can marinate properly. I'll flip it over. This pork feels so soft. So I'm gonna go in with some crushed garlic. So I put garlic powder, I put garlic peg, and crushed garlic. I love garlic, guys. I like to cook with garlic. I'm gonna put some ginger. I'm gonna put some crushed ginger. And I have the ginger peg also. So I'm gonna put some jerk sauce, jerk season. You know this jerk season is spicy, but I like when my pork is spicy. I'm gonna put some of this jerk marinade sauce. I'm gonna put a little soy sauce. And I'm gonna put in my dry season. I'm using a gloves, guys, because the knife burst my finger 2 days ago, and you know when this season go inside that wound, it's not pretty. And most of all, you don't want to be cooked and then your finger is cut, so I'm using a gloves. So I'm gonna rub it in. So I'm gonna flip it over on the other side. Make sure the season go inside. So now guys, I'm gonna put some of my green season. And I'm gonna rub it in all over. Flip it over. Get that season in, girl. Work it in. Okay. And guys, if you smell this pork, oh my god, and it hasn't cooked as yet. Ugh. So now guys, I'm gonna add my scallion, my garlic, my thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper, and my pimento. So you want all this seasoning to soak into this meat. Guys, my kitchen smells so nice. So nice. And this pork hasn't cooked as yet. Sorry for who don't like pork. This is one meat can come off my menu. The funny thing about it, curry goat, I don't eat curry goat. I love pork. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna leave it to marinate and then I'm gonna show you guys how I do this bad boy. And I have this red stripe beer. I'm gonna add it to it, but I'm gonna show you guys that next step. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so now it's time to put my pork in the oven. So I have my pan here. I'm gonna put a little oil. So I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna dab it on all over the pan. So I show you guys how I season my pork already. So I'm just scraping off the excess seasoning, like the thyme, the scallion off it. So now that I scrape off all the seasoning, I'm gonna place it in my pan right here. So now guys, this is it. I'm gonna put my red stripe beer in. So I'm gonna use half and leave half for the, I'm gonna leave the next half and pour the next half later. So now I'm gonna pop it in the oven because my oven is already preheated to 400. So I'm gonna pop it in the oven right now. I'm so excited. So I put it in the oven, so I'm gonna leave it there to cook. Okay. Let's look at that. I'm gonna flip it over on the next side and I'm gonna let the next side cook. It looks so nice and smell. Oh my god. As I take it out and I'm gonna put the rest of beer into it and I'm gonna put it back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put it over all the juice over the pork. I shouldn't use this Pyrex dish. I should use aluminum foil thingy. It's going to take me to wash this thing out. Okay. So what I'm doing now, I'm taking out the juice from the bottom and put it on top of the pork. And I'm gonna pop it in the oven because it needs to cook more. So I'm gonna put it back for maybe half an hour and to get some more color. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over on the next side so I can put the juice on the next side also. This is my favorite part, the skin. It's so good. Wow. I'm gonna do it to the same. Guys, my pork is finished. I take it out the oven and I'm gonna slice it up and let you guys see the finished product. Look how juicy that pork look. Oh my god. Oh. So guys, that's the finished product of my jerk pork, oven roasted jerk pork with a dash of red stripe beer. So guys, tell me what you think about this lovely video, and please, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so on your way out. Don't forget to hit that notification button so you know each time I upload a video. Don't be afraid to be a part of the notification gang. So guys, comment down below, share this video out. You can also hit me up on Instagram at Kiissi Kitchen. That's Kiissi Kitchen on Instagram. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'm out. Look at that. Wow. Juicy.